Alright, so there are two locations at NAA New England, and today we're going to be at the hangar. That over there is the King Air. We work on that sometimes. And I'm wearing my farm pants because it's freezing sometimes at the hangar. So this is our classroom for the day. This is term 5. Right now in term 5, we're just working on engines. We're working on recip engines, but here's the turbine engine too. We'll be working on those in a couple weeks. All right, so now we're finally in the building, and this is term 3. This is the term where you do sheet metal. It's probably like one of the most fun terms. Here they are up here. Here's my sheet metal project. I'd also say this is probably the most hands-on term. Even though I messed up my paint, it still turned out pretty cool. All right, here's term 5 again, with everyone in it. I have one of the biggest classes in the school right now. And sorry for all the motion. I'm just trying to be respectful and not get people's faces. This is our lunchroom at the hangar. It's pretty small, but most people just go out to get food anyway. And then here's some of our vending machines.
Send them to me if you have.
And then this is our last classroom at the hangar. So we can have 3 classes total. Being at an active airfield can be kind of loud, especially when studying. But honestly, we do get some pretty sick planes every now and then.
Oh, Dave and I were talking to him when they had that really, really nice airplane sitting over here.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one that was like super fancy.
This was a pretty unique experience at the airfield. We got a Vision jet come, and our airfield's pretty small, so it was out of the ordinary to see a jet. Unfortunately, I didn't get any videos of the project that we were doing, but we were just mounting and dismounting an engine. Majority of the day I just spent studying, honestly. I have my power plant exam coming up in the next 7 weeks, so I'm getting prepared for that. And I'm doing some new study techniques, so you'll probably see in a new video about how I study for my power plant exam. Every hour, we get a 10-minute break. So here we are playing some Uno. And if you want to get really hands-on, there's other extracurricular activities for you to do, even if you're on your break. All right, so this is the budget-friendly tip. If you're an AP student, go to Market Basket. This is a $5 sub, and it's like bigger than a foot. Market Basket has the best deals. Honestly, this place is usually super packed with like just our students. And I'm about to show you the best deal that they have right now. I don't know if you can see that, but they have a $3 cheeseburger, and that's with fries. Wow. And then here's some other things that they have. They have like orange chicken, different types of tots, different wings, stuff like that. Another really great deal they have a 2-for-$1 Market Basket soda. I always get the root beer. After 8, my boy Angel played some tunes for us before we had to head back to class. I think in moments like this, I just reflect and just appreciate how far we've come. It's been 14 months and we're like 7, 8 weeks from graduating. Just super, super exciting. And at the same time, being at this school has really taught me to appreciate the journey and not just focus on my grades, but to have fun along the way. So enjoy the rest of this music. Bye, Angel.
Coming in the back.
Here they are again, working on starting up this engine. And no, that rotor blade is not connected. This is completely safe.
I cleared the fucking fuel out of it.
They ended up finding out that the problem was the starter was the wrong starter for that engine. Even though this is completely safe, I think there's still some moments at school where I'm just like, nah, I'm out of here. And to end the day, we just moved the Piper out of the hangar to make some more space. That's Mr. Z. He's an instructor here. He's awesome. And I do have a bias because he was a student here and he was also the student council president. So, you know, just a lot of love. And just like that, it was time to go to work. If you are going to be an A&P student, I absolutely recommend you try to start working in the aviation field now. You do not have to wait until you get your certification. And I'll probably end up doing a video about how you can get into the field and different jobs that you can get. But this is where I work, and it's awesome. As a line station technician, it's pretty much just general knowledge. But honestly, it's amazing just to use the knowledge that you're learning in school and actually apply it. At my job, we kind of just detail planes, tug, tow, and marshal. And these are super fancy, beautiful planes. These are Cirruses. If you know, you know. Here I am cleaning the windshields. We also clean the bellies of the plane. In here, I'm just cleaning off the brake dust. Comment down below if you know what this case is covering the wheel here. Different people call them different things. One of the perks of working at an airfield with the military base is seeing these absolutely sick military aircrafts. It's Marine Week right now, so they're coming in for a showing. They are super loud, but it's honestly so satisfying seeing them come in and just being able to work next to these huge beasts. And yes, I am allowed to record this video. We spoke to the manager that was in charge. I also got a picture, which was awesome. Here's another video of me cleaning the underbelly of the plane. We clean absolutely every part of the plane. We have to make sure they're brand new pretty much every time they fly. And just show you how bougie these planes are. Bam, look at that. Crazy. Here's a close-up of a Vision jet like the one that was flying at the airfield earlier. They're really beautiful planes. They look like dolphins to me. What do you guys think? I feel like it looks like a dolphin in the sky. And absolutely my favorite part of working at an airfield is how beautiful the sunsets are. But this is a bad angle. I'm going to go to the front and show you a better one. Boom, look at that. Ooh. It's hard to not go home grateful every day when you see something as beautiful as that at the end of your shift. And that's my day as an A&P student. Thank you everyone for watching.